Here comes Jasper. We've had our lunch. Jasper's been practicing his toe side slides. Here he is. 0G, expert run, moguls. He's doing pretty good. Looking smooth, Jasper. These are pretty big moguls. Wow, not bad. He's right. He's not giving up yet. All right. Take your time. Yeah, he's back. Right way. Nice, Jasper. Looking good. Smooth. Pretty awesome for the first day on a snowboard. Here we are late in the day. Jasper on the moguls. There's a toe side turn. Whoop, get some speed. Waiting for that turn. Here he comes, toe side, heel side. Nice. Toe side, heel side. Nice. There he goes. Sweet.